Alright, we're back with it. Next day with Jagger. We're at the house. We're gonna wash the M3 today. Got it back. Everything was well. There's little things here and there that need to be fixed on it, but it's all good. It is like stupid dirty. I don't know what this is. Hopefully that comes off, but here is the car as it sits. Everything is good, so yeah. Enjoy this cinematic of Jagger taking his shirt off and rubbing up against the car.
Dude, you gotta like hit it for like 5 seconds and then stop and then hit it again. Every time you reset it, it just seems to be better.
That is like watery McGee.
Yo, did you just start the job? Wait, I didn't know we were at the bank yet. Why is the car so white?
I mean, you know. Alright, car is all clean now.
If not, I'll take it.
I'm not sure how it's gonna look on camera. We ended up getting rid of some of that stuff that was on the hood, but I definitely think it needs some slight paint correction, but overall super happy with it. This thing looks super dope. About to head to Burgermaster though.
I probably won't. She didn't even make me quit.
From like 10 feet away, this thing actually looks very nice. Pretty legit, but it does need paint correcting, no cap. Like, oh my god. I don't know if it's gonna show in the camera. There's like massive swirl marks on the trunk, but yes sir. That's what it looks like clean.
Speaking of, I saw your cousin sculpture. Kid Cudi's coming to Seattle, August 19th.